Huawei hasn't even launched the Pura 80 series yet. And guess what? Over 210,000 reservations have already been made, and the number's still climbing. Think about that. More than 2 lakh people have pre-ordered this phone. No sale, no launch, no hands-on reviews, just a few teasers, and boom, the entire Chinese smartphone scene is already buzzing. So the big question is, what exactly is Huawei cooking? The launch is happening on June 11th, but if the pre-orders are anything to go by, this thing is going to explode. Because when a phone gets this much hype before even touching the shelves, you know it's not just hype. It's something big. And today, we finally got a little more than just rumors. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first official look at the Huawei Pura 80 Pro Plus. One glance, and you know this phone means business. Let's talk design. A bold, luxurious red finish, polished to perfection. The back, glossy, clean, and ceramic-like. But the real spotlight is that massive artistic camera module. This is Huawei's new signature triple ring design. 3 huge lenses styled into a triangle layout with Huawei's X-Mage branding right in the middle. It's not just good looking, it's loud, premium, and unapologetically different. And that center ring, it doesn't hold just one, it holds 2 lenses inside. That means even more power packed into one module, probably for telephoto and advanced AI imaging. Huawei is clearly not playing safe anymore. They're pushing boundaries, especially in macro photography and zoom capabilities. We're expecting a dual periscope system, which is absolutely insane. And if you zoom into the lens plate, you'll notice subtle grill-like lines surrounding the rings. It gives the entire phone a futuristic mechanical vibe, like a luxury watch merged with flagship smartphone tech. The LED flash, still pill-shaped and placed exactly where it was on the Pura 70 Pro Plus, so some signature elements are staying consistent. But that's not all. Huawei is teasing some big display upgrades too. Leaks are suggesting that the Pura 80 Ultra might even beat the Mate 70 RS Ultimate design in terms of visual experience. In short, Huawei's going all in. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement. And if 210,000 people are already in line before the launch, you can only imagine what's going to happen once the full reveal drops on June 11th. So stay locked in, because something epic is coming, and it's wearing red. Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.